What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in for another episode of the Datsun build. Today I'm going to be working on the upholstery. I really wanted to move a little further along with the engine and transmission mount and all that other good stuff, but if you watch some of the other episodes, especially the $35,000 mistake episode, you'll know that the Pontiac project is costing me a little bit more than I anticipated right now. So that means that I have to put the engine not on hold, but push it back a little bit, which means I got to work on other parts of the Datsun. That being said, I was taking a look at the inside, and the door panels that are on there are these old diamond plate door panels that somebody cut out and put on there. Personally, not my style. I'm looking for something a little bit more I don't know, I guess not that. So that's got to go. I'm going to take off these doors, take out those panels, and we're going to put together some new custom door panels, and we're doing it Chicano style. If you're looking for a how-to on how to do this professionally, that's not me. But it's going to look good, I hope. Alright, let's do this. So the first thing I got is this whiteboard. I went to Home Depot and they sell these in like big old sheets. I spent about $15. I got a huge piece that I was able to cut the pieces out of that I need. So we'll set that one aside. The other thing that you're going to need is some padding, and I picked this up at Walmart. It's not very thick. I don't want a bunch of padding there, just a little bit to give it a nice feel. But if I go too thick, then it's just gonna pop out and be too bulgy and kind of clunky. I want to keep it pretty smooth and nice and flush. So really that's all we have to work with. We got to get it to be as flush with that as possible. And really the board is going to take up most of that. So we really don't have a ton of room to work with. Glue it all together. Scotch Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. Last but not least, we need our upholstery. Ta-da! So these are the options that I have. Basically, all I'm doing is putting them here and seeing which one I like. I do like this one. This one was one of my favorite ones. I like the green and the black. It goes well with the truck. But that's not really the look that I'm going for. So that one didn't work. I really like the teal as well. That's an option. Actually, that looks really good. I ordered this one. I thought it was going to be more of a lighter salmon and not have so much pink on it. I do like the pink, I'm not going to lie. The pink looks nice. Actually, the pink would be really nice. Maybe I'll reupholster the Bronco with this. Ultimately, what I decided on were these two colors right here. I really like the red, and I think that when I go through and reupholster the bench seat or put in some bucket seats, I'll put the red on there. But really, for the doors, I'm going to go with the gray. I just like the classic gray that it has right here. I think it'll match well with a lot of the gray flooring that I'm going to put in there. And then the design really pops. So that's what we're going to go with. Well, I already made my first mistake. I forgot to put the body panel retainers. So now I have to pull back the material where I just got done gluing it so that I can drill some holes and put the body panel retainers in through there. I just went to O'Reilly's and AutoZone, picked up a bunch of just random body panel retainers. There's already a bunch of holes screwed into the door, so I just want to utilize those and just check to see what's going to work best. It turns out, that's a variety pack, that these were the best fit. Can't really see it. No, that just looks like a black dot. There we go. Anyway, I'll pull back the material and drill some holes and pop these in there, and then I'll put the padding back on top. That way you can't really see it, and we'll be able to pop the panel into place without having to screw in through the material. It'll give it a nice look. All right, let's fix it. Ooh, wow. Alright, so I know that video probably made it look like it was pretty fast, but that actually took a couple of days, mostly because of work and other things, but one door panel is done, so now I just got to get the other one done. But the first one came out really good. I like it. Check it out. I think that looks pretty sharp, and it's not bad for my first go around. I'm sure that I'll have to redo it in the future, and when I do, then I'll get some other thinner materials to make it a little bit sharper. But anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. It's down below somewhere. And also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you catch all the other videos that are coming out. We're going to keep working on the Datsun. The Pontiac is in the shop right now. It's getting worked on. Should be done here in a couple of weeks, maybe a month at the most. And also, at the end of the month, we do have a half-mile event that we are going to. We're not going to be participating, but we're going to go check it out and get as much cool footage as we can. And that's it. So, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.